Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you can use machine learning into your business even though you don't have engineer background. I will show you two pages. One page is this page. The first page is this page. Basically, it's a data file you or the user uploaded to the system. And from here, user can click the auto button and the system will go to the second page. And the system will generate a lot of new data model and do the calculation, report the evaluation, and user can pick up from there to use them for prediction. Let me go to the first pages. So let me show you let's take the first data file as an example. The first one is an Apple stock we downloaded from Yahoo Finance. Our goal is that use the data, the open price, close price, and the volume. Use this data as a source data and find the action for the next page. Should we buy, sell, or keep the stock? So this is our target action for the next day based on today's data. Once you have the data, user can simply click the auto model, which means it asks the user to create the model for us automatically. Let us click this and see what happens. You see, once you click that, system generate a list of data model for us without any populated data. Once, at the same time, the system is doing the calculation in the background and the report and fill in this data and report the evaluation. Let me refresh very quickly, and you see that the system has finished the calculation and reported the evaluation. In this case, the best evaluation is 50-55, which may not be good enough. But we all know that for stock, it's difficult to training a good model. And no matter good or not, this is all the steps we need to follow for stock or any other data. And once we have the data model, our user can choose the model for prediction. You see here we can click new by create new prediction existing to check existing prediction. So that's the whole procedure. Let me summarize again. So from the first page, user will have will upload the data to the first page, and from this button we click the auto model, and the system will generate the model for us and do the calculation and report the evaluation for us. From here, user can choose the best model and use it for the prediction. The prediction will be covered in the next episode. And that's all for today. If you have any comments, please leave your question or comment in the following up area. Thank you.